What's up? What's up? It's Steve here. Hope you're doing amazing today. We're going to learn Fix You by Coldplay in under 3 minutes. You think we can do it? It's great. It's got a couple simple chords that repeat over and over again, and then this really nice chorus. It's super chill and lush. Anyway, I'm done yapping because we got to learn this thing. Take your capo and put it on the 3rd fret, and we're going to start with a C major shape. So capo, 3rd fret, C major. So even though the song really isn't in C major, that's the shape we're going to do. And what you do is you hit the low note and the high notes. Now the intro, there's a little intro, sort of a beginning the whole thing that goes like this. It does it twice. So you take a C major, low, high, then you actually keep the C major and hit the open E string. That, then go to the F major, that's F major, to G major, right there. Pretty cool. So you do that twice, and then you're really ready for the words. So it goes, when you try your best, that's C, but you don't, that's E minor, succeed, and you go to A minor. A minor. If you want to play the A minor 7th, you sort of take out that middle note and leave the open G string like this. And go to G. Right there. Now, when you get what you want, that's C major, but not E minor, that's E minor. What you need, that's A minor. You can do the G. You don't really have to do the G, but that's what he does. When you feel so tired, that's C major again, E minor, A minor. We've done this over and over again. Stuck in reverse, that's C, E minor, A minor. And now you do this little walk down to get to the chorus. On G, that's a G. So you go, sorry. A little walk down from A minor to G takes you to the F major chord again. That's where it does the chorus. Lights will guide, and that's a G. F, and ignite, that's G major. You know, that does it again, and I will try to G major to fix you, C major right there, C major. Then it does the whole thing again. Now the bridge in the middle, or the very ending of the song where they're really, rocking, it goes C major to F major, it's F major to C major, G major. That's a little bonus for you. It's a little bit more advanced, but you're playing a C and you're hitting that part of the C, that first finger on the C chord, and putting your pinky right up there on the 6th fret of the E string. And if you can play an F major chord and keep that pinky there. I can't do it with a bar. I use my thumb and go back to the C, to the G. That's it, and that just cycles over and over and over again, and then it finally ends with the F, lights will, back to the G major. We just did that part right there. And it ends with a C major. All right, that's a super quick lesson for Fix You by Coldplay. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you for another 3-minute guitar lesson. See ya.